fans and followers, people who see my page, Over 40 Self Hair. It's been a manic day today. Well, not really. I've been doing coursework and stuff. And friends, I decided to treat myself to my post-birthday treat. It's the last day for it. I'm outside the Table restaurant in the United Kingdom in the Midland area, one of them anyway. It's really nice that it's got a car park. Just sitting in the car park, thought I'd just report before. May take a picture of my dinner. I made a reservation online just before I went, so hopefully they got my details. And yeah, can't believe it, I'm here. I wasn't going to go out because I just felt like stopping in and just watching Columba, but I think I'm glad to be here. It looks a nice restaurant where it's got a car park. I probably would come here in the future, friends, definitely, and bring my parents, because it looks a bigger table than the one I'm used to near my place. But the person didn't let me have a free meal, and I confirmed everything over the phone, and they said just bring the code, and yeah, we're good to go, friends. So I'm gonna build a Cobb salad, because that's in total everything's 386 calories, and I don't feel much hungry, but it's nice and light and it's healthy too. May just also get a J2O because I'm quite parched. I feel really thirsty right now. But bye for now, lovely people, and I will be with you, lovely people, shortly. May Good morning, lovely people. It's 11:58 hours in the United Kingdom on Monday, the 5th of September. Boy, manic yesterday. In a sense, can't get my words out today, friends. Over 40 Self can't get their words out today. But aside from that, it was lovely. Highlight for yesterday, friends, was Over 40 Self went to the Table in the United Kingdom. Lovely restaurant. I managed to get my birthday post meal the last day in September, the 4th of September. You'll see from the video what a humongous salad I had. I had a Builder Cobb salad, but it was absolutely delightful. It was amazing. And I just want to come in and say happy Monday, people. Hope you're well. Clock is ticking, so to speak, because I got to get in my coursework. Well, I don't have to do anything, but it's nice to have things completed because you feel that much more achieved. And take time for yourself and treat yourself kindly, because you worth it, and you know how much you're worth it, and both the mental and the physical health work together. And if we can get those things right and have a good mental health as well as a good physical health, then we can live succinctly for life going forward. With that, friends, I say bye for now, sayonara, and I'll be with you, lovely people, shortly.